Hello everyone, let's get ready to correct the activity pages 62 and 63, the questions about the poem A Hatchling Song.
You should have the date at the top. 1, line 4, line 2020. The first question, who is speaking? Is it dad, mom, or hatchling? The correct answer is a hatchling, the little baby penguin. So tick this if you've got it correct. If not, fix it. Now for this we needed to write numbers to order which happened first, second, third, and fourth. So I've gone ahead and colored where I find the information. The hatchling's head is out. Over here in the poem, I find my head's outside. The hatchling pecks hard. I find I'm pecking hard. The hatchling is free. At last I'm free. And the last one, the hatchling hurts its beak, and it hurts my beak. So now I number which one's first. This one I find first, second, third, and fourth. You need to think about how he's going to feel at the end of the poem. It is what you think, but in this case, we also have to remember what's happening in the poem. Is he cross and tired? Is he angry? No, we don't know any moment that he feels angry. Is he upset? No, we don't really get that feeling. Is he happy and tired? Yes, because he's been pecking a long time, but then at the end, he gets to see the world and his dad. So the last one, give it a tick. And letter A, you were finding an ED word and an ING word and the ending in the poem. So the ED word, there's two options. You could have found hatched or you could have found tired. And the ING word is pecking. Because with his beak, he's hitting the shell and that's pecking.
Good morning or afternoon, Primary 1. This is for page 64, the poem that's called Tiny Diny. Activity book, page 62. Let's grab our activity books and answer questions about a hatchling song. Tiny Diny, dear, oh what shall I do? There's a tiny little dinosaur in my shoe. Her teeth are sharp and her head's like a rock. When I put my foot in, she chewed my sock. Her skin is rough and her tail is long, and her ripply muscles are ever so strong. And I want to go out, but what can I do with a tiny little dinosaur in my shoe? Tony Milton. Word cloud. Muscles. Ripply. Okay, now you have a turn reading it. It's a nice poem because it has a nice rhyme in it. So we have dear, oh dear, what shall I do? There's a tiny little dinosaur in my shoe. Shoe do. So go ahead and give it a try. Write the date at the top. Today is Thursday. 2, line 4, line 2020. Read and respond. Draw a line to link each part of the dinosaur to the word that describes it. And on the left we have muscles, teeth, skin, and tail. And on the right the descriptive words. They're sharp, they're ripply, they're long, they're rough. So we need to go to the poem and find the words muscles. It's in the third paragraph. And her ripply muscles. So muscles, you're going to draw a line to ripply. Keep going. The name of our poem is Tiny Diny. And the question says, what word does Diny mean? I bet you can imagine that Diny means good. Go ahead and write it on the line. Word detective, you're finding words with shh and you're writing them on the dinosaur. So we have 3 boxes, and in our poem you're going to go and look and see what words you can find that start with shh. Now we're going to make our own rhyming poem. Remember, rhyming means sound the same. So in our yellow box we have the words goes, tough, shoe, and toes. So never fear, here's what to do. If a tiny Diny jumps in your... So do needs to rhyme with this word. Do goes, do tough, do shoe, or do toes. What do you think? Correct. Do shoe. So on the first line you're writing shoe. Keep going. Do not cry if its skin is rough. Do not scream if it's big and... So this word needs to rhyme with rough. Let's keep going. The next one says pull off its socks and tickle its... So this one is going to rhyme with quick as a flash, away it... So the last 2 rhyme together. So what would you pull off and tickle? Are you going to tickle toes or goes? And then quick as a flash, away it. You're finished with your activity book and anthology for today. Great work, everybody. Get ready for joke of
the day. Joke of the day. What do you call a rabbit who tells good jokes? A funny bunny.